Good afternoon, KGC 2023. Thank you very much for coming to this session. Today we will be announcing the winners of the KGC 2023 Startup Pitch event. Um, there we go. So for the Startup Pitch event this year, we had 31 startup applications. Each startup had 3 judges evaluate them. So we had a weighted average for each startup. 8 were selected to pitch yesterday, and we selected 2 winners in 2 categories. We selected 1 winner for early stage startups, and we selected 1 winner for startups that are already generating revenue. We would like to thank the panel of judges that volunteered their time and expertise to carefully judge each startup. We have Chris Rusnak. He was also winner of last year's Startup Pitch event. We have Jeremy Kagan, strategy consultant and professor of business at Columbia University. We had John Riccardi. He is an investor at Gangel. Julian Groomer. He has been a prolific speaker in KGC in previous years. William Kreth. He is the CEO at Hand and also another previous participant, and Wouter Jansen, founder and CEO at Digitai. So the 8 semifinalists are as shown above. We had Codified Health, Curiosity, Graph.build, Lead Semantics, QPI, Puppy Graph, Cookie Langs, and Vamy. And for the first winner,
Yep. So we're gonna have a Cookie Lang is the first winner. So we're gonna have him pitch right now. So yeah, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. Let me share the screen. Hello everyone, I'm Sang from Cookie Ranks. We started as a language earring startup from South Korea. After a few successes, we moved to New York last year. We have been focusing on NLP and generative AI since then. Now we have invented a revolutionizing marketing service. We recently acquired some clients and expect big revenue growth in the coming years. This speech is to tell you our plan for it. Let me show you the demo video first.
Do you like to drink beer?
Sure, who doesn't?
What's your favorite beer?
I like Corona.
Sounds like you never tried Miller.
No, never heard of it. Is it good?
Miller is the best. You will love it. What's your favorite beer?
I like to drink Miller.
Happy to hear that. I only drink Miller.
How nice. Do you want one now?
Wonderful. What's your favorite beer?
Coors Light.
Really, I love Coors Light.
Awesome. Let's have Coors Light.
Perfect.
Order now or find a bar around you.
I love
Blue Moon.
Carling Black Label.
Molson Canadian.
So the service suggests you an ad with an AI character that you like to talk with. It can be a girl or a guy, even an animated character. And the conversations are different for each user based on their preference. Our survey shows it's 20 times more effective than YouTube ads, but it will cost about the same. Before the end of this year, we expect more than 1 million active users from China alone. And There are more than 30 million people in the US who need to learn English. But let's say we only have 1 million active users worldwide this year. When a user tries one ad, they like to talk about around 10 times because it's so entertaining. Not to mention it's free. And the next year, we will be able to work with hundreds of clients or more. Now you might be wondering how we can attract millions of users. This is it. We are building the next YouTube or TikTok, where people can have virtual conversations with their favorite video creators from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. We are already partnered with popular influencers and celebrities, and their presence will help us boost in user numbers. Well, don't forget its basic features are for language learning, and people don't mind paying for English learning in Asia. And we share the revenue with the influencers. Adair, one of our core members, is an acclaimed researcher in NLP. And for myself, I have over a decade of experience in IT and also worked as a movie director in Hollywood. We are fortunate to have top-notch advisors. It helped us make the service the best in the industry. Lastly, let me show you another demo.
Do you know why Oreo went to the dentist?
What? Why would Oreo need to go to a dentist?
Because it lost its filling.
That's a good one.
The Oreo went to the dentist the next day as well
Again? Why?
to get its filling checked.
That's hilarious.
It's not over yet.
The Oreo went to the dentist again?
Yes. Can you guess why?
I have no idea. Just tell me.
It chipped a tooth trying to dunk itself in the glass of milk.
Our solution is perfect for small businesses as well. Please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. We might have some time for some few questions if you want to, if anyone has any. No. Okay. So we'll move to the. Thank you, Sang. We'll move to the next presentation. Next speech. Luca, are you ready? Yep.
Hi.
Okay.
Vamy.
Oh, Vamy. Yep.
Vamy.
He's gonna pitch right now. So you can share your screen.
Can you see?
The category is early stage startup. So Luca won that category. Yeah.
Your screen is black right now. Oh yeah,
There we go.
you're ready.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is the University of Bologna spin-off. I co-founded in 2020. Actually, sorry, I have a very bad return. Of the audio. No.
We can hear you properly.
Good morning, everyone. My name is the University of Bologna spin-off. I co-founded in 2020, whose mission is to build a multi-data solution to enable interoperability in the Internet of Things, supporting distributed and loosely coupled applications. The global challenges require new solutions able to cope with the complexity of today's ICT applications. Vime wishes to contribute to these challenges by reducing time to market, and maintenance costs of large-scale IoT applications, creating value from the integration of services and devices. The IoT market is quite appealing. Even if we just refer to the industrial one, the annual growth rate is around 5%, and the estimated value by 2030 is about 100 billion US dollars. Thanks to standardized metadata and reusable building blocks, the Web of Things enable easy integration across IoT platforms application domains. Milky Dataway exploits the Web of Things potential and offers IoT developers a set of services tailored to their needs. The Active Knowledge Graph service, for example, allows to consolidate and standardize data in a single place, enabling the development of linked data-driven IoT applications. The Active Knowledge Graph is built on top of SEPA, the Sparkwell event processing architecture developed and maintained by Vime. SEPA implements a publish-subscribe mechanism over the linked data. It facilitates the reuse of components and provides developers with a set of API and tools to implement linked data-driven composable applications. We know that Milky Dataway is an ambitious project that requires aggressive adoption to be successful, and we believe open source is the key for its diffusion. We are planning for a business-to-business subscription model, including customization for high-end customers. We are still in early stage, but we demonstrate the value of our innovation potential. We received funding by the European Union to improve our solution, and we acquire few but high valuable customers. Vime's CTO is invited expert at the W3C Web of Things working group, where major players are shaping the future of IoT interoperability. And everything has been possible thanks to our team. Founders are the perfect mix of researcher and entrepreneur, from project management to software development, ending with data science and AI. We have been able to attract very talented people, including PhD and PhD candidates. We also believe in young but high motivated students starting their career at Vime. Broadly speaking, we intend to push on the Web of Things community, develop the smart agriculture business by acquiring new customer and funding, and start a new service in the industrial IoT by the end of the year. We closed 2022 in negative, but we plan to close 2023 in positive. We are looking for Series A. This would allow Vime to scale and start to have its position in the IoT market. My experience with interoperability and the role of knowledge graph goes back to 2009, when I have been involved in the European Sophia project coordinated by Nokia, where, starting from the fundamental work made by Oral Asila, a semantic information broker have been developed. It has been quite a long trip to get here today. Amazon Neptune was released the same year I get in touch for the first time with the Web of Things. It is just a coincidence. The competition is very high. There are too many lions in the arena, but I still see an opportunity. I believe having the Milky Dataway listed on the AWS marketplace will allow Vime to scale up and contribute to the positioning of AWS as a leader also in the industrial IoT. I do believe it could be a win-win. Thank you for listening.
Again, thank you for the presentation, Luca and Sang. If anybody has any questions, Luca's paving the way for a sort of a virtual knowledge graph platform to enable IoT applications. And Sang is paving the way for personalized chatbots that has configurations for local languages and nuances and domain-specific knowledge models. Are there any questions? No? Okay. Well, Thank you very much to everybody that was involved in putting this together. My name is Joaquin Malata. Um,
My name is Matches Siswe.
My name is Tama. Thank you so much for being here with us.
and Margaret Kocherga could not be with us, but she has organized the Startup Pitch event for the last 3 years. Thank you very much. We're good.